I'm gonna show you how you can save money by cutting your own hair. If I can do it, anybody can. So here's what you need. You need some clippers. You can get these from Best Buy. You need a mirror, or you can use your front camera of your cell phone, and you need a newspaper to catch your hair. For those of you who don't know what this is it's like a website where they printed out yesterday's news on it. Okay, first we're gonna cover up the floor with the newspaper. So just put it on 0, and then just use the mirror and follow the contour of your head. And it should be good. After you're done cutting your hair, make sure you shower. Even if you don't cut your hair, I recommend you shower. You know who you are. Ow! See? Easy. Perfect, right? And you can do it too. Next time we'll teach you how to shave your dog. Right, Charlie?